Hi everyone and welcome to Calm Creations. My name is Tia. Today I'm going to do a little video on setting up my 2023 bullet journal. I've not done this on camera before. I've been bullet journaling since 2016, but I thought I would do my setup on camera. So I've got my Clairefontaine bullet journal. It's a dot grid and it's got a leather-like cover, and this is the inside. The pages are cream, they're not white, but they're so smooth. So we've got a few contents pages, and then it's yeah, the pages are so soft. So I thought we would do this together. I'm going to speed it up and do a voiceover just so that I can concentrate on what I'm doing. So let's get into it.